Hello students, today we have to start here practice set 4.1 which is based on the altitude and median of the triangle. Okay, so first question is there, that is in triangle LMN. Okay, LMN, dash is the altitude and dash is the median. Write the name of the appropriate segment. Okay, we have to write the name of altitude and the median. So when we talk about the altitude, what is the altitude? That is, we have to draw the perpendicular line to the vertex of the triangle. Okay, so for this, LX is perpendicular to MN or LY is the perpendicular to MN? Definitely LX is perpendicular to MN. Why? Because this one. This indicates what? This indicates the 90 degree. And perpendicular line makes the 90 degree. Okay. So, what is the answer of first one here? In triangle LMN, dash is an altitude. So which one is the altitude? That is the segment which is the perpendicular to the MN side. So which one is the segment which that is perpendicular? That is LX. Okay, segment LX is the perpendicular on side MN. Okay, so therefore we have to write here segment LX, and this is the answer of the first blank space. Okay, now next, and dash is a median. Dash is a median. Okay, so which one is the median? If this LX is the altitude, then LY is the median. Median means what? The midpoint of the side. Okay, so another line is that is LY is the median of this triangle. So write down here segment LY is the median of triangle. Clear? So this is the answer of your first question from practice set 4.1. Just you have to remember that altitude means perpendicular line and median means midpoint. Okay, that means we have to join the midpoint of the one side of triangle to the opposite vertex of it. Okay, so this is the median. Now we have to solve the next question. Next question, second one. Draw an acute angle triangle PQR. Draw all of its altitudes. Name the point of concurrence as O. Okay, so we have to draw here acute angle triangle PQR. Acute angle triangle means what? Which is less than the 90 degree. That means this type of the triangle is called as the acute angle triangle. Okay, clear? Acute angle triangle. So draw first of all acute angle triangle here. So by using the scale, you have to draw here acute angle triangle. Like this. Okay, and name it as a triangle PQR. Okay, PQR. Now next we have to draw here altitudes. Altitudes means what? We have to draw the perpendicular line. Okay, to the each of the vertex of this triangle. So we have to consider your first P vertex. So how to draw the perpendicular line? We have to put set square like this and draw the line. Okay, this one is the perpendicular line. Okay, suppose this is name it as A. This point name it as A. Okay, so line AP is the perpendicular to side QR. That means AP is the altitude of this triangle. Now similarly, we have to draw for this one. So opposite side of R is what? PQ. So put set square like this. Okay, and draw the line. This is the perpendicular line to PQ and this is name it as B. Clear? Now similarly, then we have to draw for this vertex. So opposite side of this vertex is PR. So put set square like this. And draw the line. And this is called as the C. So QC is the altitude, PA is the altitude, RB is the altitude of this triangle. Then next step is what? Draw all of its altitude. We have to complete this part. Okay. Now name the point point of occurrence as O. So what is the occurrence here? This one. This point, name it as what? O. Clear? So this is the complete figure or complete diagram of your question number 2. So you have to write here, therefore segment PA, segment QC and segment AB are the altitudes of triangle PQR. Okay, so this is the solution of your question number 2. Now next we have to solve the question number 3. Next question, that is third one. Draw an obtuse angle triangle STV. Draw its medians and show the centroid. Okay, we have to draw here first obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle means what? Which is the greater than 90 degree, like this. Triangle like this means this angle is greater than 90 degree. So this is the obtuse angle triangle. So we have to draw first obtuse angle triangle and then it's a medians. Okay, we have to draw the medians of it. Okay, so how to solve this one? So first of all, draw the what? Draw obtuse angle triangle. So by using the scale, we have to draw here obtuse angle triangle. Okay, and name it as STV. Okay, now we have to draw here median. Okay, medians means when we draw the medians, we have to find out the first midpoint of the east side of the triangle. Okay, so how to find out midpoint? We have to use the compass here to find out the midpoint of it. Suppose I want to find out the midpoint of first of all side ST. So take the compass and take one more than half distance in your compass and draw one arc here. Okay, same distance you have to put in your compass, then put the compass knob one on yes side and then draw arc here. Clear? Now next step, put your compass on this one and draw arc here and here. Clear? Now next, same with same distance, cut this arc. Like this. Clear? Now we have to get the new points. That is, this one is first and this one is second. So draw this line. Clear? So this one is the midpoint of side ST. This one is midpoint of side ST. Suppose this is name it as P. Okay. So just tell me, this side is opposite to which vertex? That is V. Okay. V vertex opposite side is ST. So we have to join this P and V. So we have to join as P and V. Okay. So this is the one median of triangle STV. Now similarly, we have to find out the midpoint of TV sides. Okay. So take more than half distance in your compass and draw one arc here. Similarly, draw one arc here. Without changing this distance of your compass, draw one arc above and down. Similarly, cut this arc. So we have to get here 2 points. This one is first and this one is second. Same, then draw these 2 points. So this point is called as the midpoint of TV line. That is Q. Suppose I want to name it as Q. Then draw this SQ. Clear? So SQ is also the median of triangle STV. Okay. Now next for this side, take distance more than half and draw one arc here and one arc downside. Now draw one arc here and one arc downside. Then cut this arc. Okay. So this one is the first point and this one is second. Then draw the line. Okay. So this one is midpoint of line SV. Okay, this one is midpoint of line SV. So this is name it as suppose R. Okay, and then join this QR. QR. So just list down here segment. Which one is the median of this triangle? That is SQ. Then TR and segment VP are the medians of triangle STV. Okay. So next thing is what? Show the centroid. Centroid means what? This point. And this point is denoted as G. Okay. This point is denoted as G. So in this way, we have to solve here question number 3 also. So today we have to stop here. In next video, we will discuss about the question number 4, 5 and furthermore questions. So I hope you have to understand from this video. So please like it, subscribe it and share it to your friends. Thank you, students.